So what it asked me, it asked my username. I gave this thing. And after email ID, sorry, it is not selected. It gave me wrong email ID. After username, it is asking password. But anyway, I gave a password. Says support for password authentication was removed on this thing because it says like it removed the password authentication. But if you select as a Git credentials manager, it will take passwords. Okay, if you selected that, you're not required any help from the Git from your credential manager. Now we have to, the password support authentication has been removed for this thing. Now what you have to do, you have to go to the Git here, and again you have to go to your user profiles. To go to your user profiles here, and here, and you have a go to the settings. So same previously we went on the settings, and you have to scroll down here, and here you have developer settings. Here you have developer settings. Click on the developer settings. Here you have personal access token. You have to create access token. So going on the classic access token, and here I have to generate a classic access token. So I'm just clicking on the access token. Here I'm giving a note as GitHub token, and expiry of this token, you can set it up. I can say no expiry. And what is the access to be provided for that thing? You can select all whatever you want to have, but I'm selecting all the privilegizations here. In organizations, it will take it as an SAML. Okay, no need to worry on like what is the password I have to use or something. See, this is the access token has been created. I can copy this token. Again, I do the git push here, and I have to select the username. I copy the username, just paste it here, asking password. Again, what are the access token I created? I have to provide this here. So now it's a 100% writing objects, 100% done. I'll go to here now. I'll go to the remote repository. What are the remote repository I created? I'll go to here. See here, this is the repository I have. And in this repository, I created a text repository, is already there. And now in this repository, I have a code added hello.java, which is hello.java file added is a description I gave, and which is done 8 minutes ago. I done it in my local, and now this file has been came here. Previously, I don't have the file. I created the file now, and I was able to push the file into my remote repository. I'm able to push the remote repository, push the changes to the remote